You see, there was a time where politics did not mean a thing to me. I used to be like, what's the point? Nothing ever changes. But as I started to pay really close attention, I could see things changing, and that too, for the better. And not because we're young, that means that it have nothing to do with we. We are living in Jamaica, and what we're seeing under this government is major improvements. From all of the highway demo where I see connect communities, to better transportation systems, to even the programs through Heart that's giving young people like myself a real chance at life. None of this not by accident. What we are seeing now is a style of the Jamaica Labour Party. It's their approach to leadership, and they have set a new standard, and I see it working for the people. Other persons share different sentiments. They believe in a different style of leadership. But to me, all I see is that cycle of dependency repeating itself. And the founder of the pan, yeah man, we love one bro God. Listen, your love don't make sense if you don't have a voter's ID. So we see what's happening. We love this government. We love our prime minister. And we all say to ourselves that, okay, the JLP is going to win anyways. Everybody loves the JLP. And we stay home on election day. What if everyone was supposed to think that way? What would happen? If it is that you love this movement, you want to see more work from this government in particular, this Jamaica Labour Party government, the only way to keep them in power is by voting for them. So I need you guys to not distance yourself from the politics, because it has an effect on our everyday lives as Jamaicans. So no matter how much you say, okay, I'm in a politics, I'm not care about one, trust me, when you reach for your pocket for buy something from the supermarket, it all has to do with who's in government, who's making these policies, who's managing our finances that we're putting towards all these things, everything while going on the country. It has everything to do with us. I'm not telling you what to do, but voting is important.